Marshall Fields would have never bought a Buick, and because it was coming out of the Depression, Buicks were still too much money at that time they would have a Chevy or Model T or Model A for their deliveries. Named Bob Starzyk, it goes under Bob and Bonnie Starzyk. We're in Indianapolis at World of Wheels 2026, and that's our Buick, a 1933 Buick Series 60, made into a sedan delivery. Buick never made a sedan delivery. The theme of the car is basically the lady for Marshall Fields and Company. That was their theme, is to give the lady what she wants. And actually the hood ornament on this car is called the Lady in 1933. That's where it started from. Marshall Fields was always to give the lady what she wants in the 1890s. That was the first store that was catered to women in Chicago. It started in Chicago, went to about 4 or 5 different states. And in 2006, Marshall Fields' name was taken over by Macy's, and there's still a big following for Marshall Fields. The car was custom crafted because it was a 4-door sedan. Buick never made a sedan delivery. It was especially handcrafted to make the body look like a sedan delivery in 1933. It's a great honor to be the caretaker of this car. I love taking it around the shows because so many people know of Marshall Fields, and I try to promote Buick as much as possible. Basically the same car, but the body has been remolded. They have a service door. It has a service door where you can see packages. Service door opens, and there's packages in there. I put them around the car showing it's making deliveries. It's a different vehicle. Nothing's out there, nothing like it. The man made sure everything is walnut accent because Marshall Fields downtown Chicago is famous for the Walnut Road. Was a big restaurant for ladies, and they would have tea there. It first started in the 1900s. And it's a tribute to him and to his wife. Enjoyed Marshall Fields.